My name is Brian McBride. I am executive chef for most of my career, and I'm a partner in a restaurant group called the RW Restaurant Group, which comprises of 10 restaurants, soon to be 11. A chef is a lifestyle. You know, a chef is someone that runs a business, has a passion for cooking, you know, who can establish, you know, a restaurant in a community and grow it. It's a high pressure situation back there a lot of times. You know, we have a deadline every 30 seconds. You know, some people have a deadline in 3 months. Some people have a deadline at the end of the week. You know, we have deadlines all day long, every 10, 30 seconds. So really the way it works is customers come in, their orders get taken. You know, the expediter is usually the chef. They call out the orders. The cooks call the orders back so that you knew that they heard them. The cooks start to cook the food. You know, the chef orchestrates what goes out, when it goes out, watches what they do, make sure that things are cooked to proper temperatures, they're rested, things like that. It starts late at night. You know, you place your orders for the next day, so you have your product. You know, a lot of things are seasonal driven, so you have to talk to your purveyors during the day, and then at the end of the night you decide what you're going to have. You have a set menu, but then you're also going to run specials, and you might have parties. And part of the day is, you know, purchasing. You know, it's writing out prep lists. It's overseeing every single dish that goes out of the restaurant to make sure it's perfect. It's teaching technique to younger cooks. You want to do whole fish that night, you know, so you come in early to make sure that it's set up right. And you teach everyone how it goes, because once service starts, you know, you can't make mistakes. It's showtime. It's showtime twice a day, every day, 365 days a year.